Hello friends, welcome to the Codemaster. This is the first lecture of the C language, which is Introduction of the C language. In this lecture, we will cover up four topics. The first thing is why to learn the C language. Second is application of it, and the third is history of it. And later I suggest a book which you can refer for your studies of the C language and the software in which we will compile and run all the programs that we will learn in this whole course. So let's get started. Introduction. The first thing we should all know that Dennis Ritchie was the person who has designed and developed the C language at AT&T's Bell Laboratories, which is situated in USA in the year 1972. These two important points are very important to remember because if we will make programs in C language, then we should know that who had created the language. Now, why to learn the C language? As we all know that there are many languages like C++, C Sharp, .NET, Java, Python, etc. that are better than C, but they uses the concept of OOP, that is object oriented programming, which is slightly difficult to understand if we are not clear with the basic programming elements and concepts. The second reason is the company placement. As all the IT companies take a written test which contains programming questions that were in C. Therefore, learning this language helps us in placement at that time. The third reason is even today when it comes on performance, that is speed of execution. No other language can beat C. The programs in devices which has the small amount of memory, like devices like digital cameras, watches, are written in C. Therefore, I think these reasons are enough to clear that why should we learn the C language at starting of our programming. Now, the applications of C language. The first application is that various database software like Oracle, SQL are written in C. The second application of C is the Unix operating system, which is written in C. And in fact, the C is the only developed to create the new Unix operating system. Um, the major part of many famous web browser which we use like Google Chrome, Firefox, Opera are written in C, and some part of them are written in other higher level language. And the fourth application is the all the device driver software like drivers which we have in our operating system like sound driver, graphics driver. They all are written in C, which helps us to use our hardware in a very easy and efficient manner. These are the application of C language, and let's see the third topic of our lecture, the history of C language. The history of C language starts from the BCPL language, that is Basic Combined Language, which was developed by the Martin Richards. Here in the left we have shown the pic of the Martin Richards, from which many important ideas C were taken. The BCPL language was the combination of many languages of that time. Therefore, it is called the Basic Combined Programming Language. After the BCPL language, Ken Thompson modified it and developed the B language for the first Unix system, DEC PDP-7. It is the name of the computer which is shown in the center of the screen, and at the right side Cal Thompson. Now this is a very important point if you learn the Unix operating system, that PDP-7 was the first computer which uses the Unix operating system. It is a very general question which was asked if you learn Unix operating system. Now, after this, in year 1972, Dennis Ritchie, developer of C at Bell Lab, designed the C language from B. But the publication is done in 1978 by Ritchie and his colleague Kernighan. which caused a revolution in computer world. In 1983, the ANSI committee, that is American National Standard Institute, started standardizing the C, which resulted in ANSI completed in 1988. Here, many people confuse that what is done in 1983 and 1988. So I clear it. The in year 1983, the ANSI committee started the standardizing of C, which was completed in 1988. This is the short history that I have showed you, but if you are interested in knowing the brief history, you can search the Wikipedia or just write on Google and everything will come to you. Now at last I suggest to use the book Let Us See by Yashwant Kanetkar. You can download the ebook, it is easily available on web. I have my whole course of C is organized according to this book. Therefore, it is important to if you use it, or you can also purchase it online. It is just write the name of the book. Let Us See by Yashwant Kanetkar and come to you. Now the software. The software which we will use in the whole course is the code blocks. It is a very modern software for learning programming languages. Um, uh, that's all. In the next video, I will show how to install and run the code blocks. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, then subscribe to my channel for all free lectures on programming languages. See you at the next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.